If your faucet keeps dripping even when it's turned off, the cartridge is usually the problem. Today I'll show you how to replace a Moen 1225 cartridge in just a few minutes using basic tools. Tools you'll need: pipe wrench, Allen wrench, Phillips screwdriver, new Moen 1225 cartridge, lubricant that comes with the cartridge. Step 1. Turn off the water. Start by shutting off the water supply. Once the water is off, lift the faucet handle straight up. Step 2. Remove the handle. On the back of the handle, you'll find a small hole. Insert the Allen wrench and loosen the set screw. Remove the handle and keep the screw in a safe place so it doesn't get lost. Step 3. Remove the temperature stop. Next, remove the small screw and the temperature stop pieces underneath it. Keep these parts together because they control how far the handle turns toward the hot water side. Step 4. Remove the retaining plate. Take off the decorative cover, then remove the retaining plate. This gives you access to the cartridge and the retaining pin. Step 5. Remove the retaining pin. Pull out the retaining pin carefully. Once the pin is removed, the cartridge can be extracted. Step 6. Remove the old cartridge. Use the cartridge removal tool if one is included with the new cartridge. Twist the cartridge slightly to loosen it, then pull it straight out. Important: notice the HC marking on top. The new cartridge must be installed in the same orientation. Step 7. Prepare the new cartridge. Apply a small amount of the supplied lubricant to the ports on the new cartridge. This helps it slide in smoothly and operate more easily. Step 8. Install the new cartridge. Align the HC marking correctly and push the new cartridge into the valve body until it is fully seated. Step 9. Reassemble the faucet. Reinstall the retaining pin. Reattach the retaining plate. Install the decorative cover. Reinstall the temperature stop pieces. Tighten the screw. Slide the handle back into place. Tighten the Allen screw. Step 10. Test the faucet. Turn the water supply back on and test the handle. Check for smooth operation and make sure the dripping has stopped. Your leaky faucet should now be fixed. And the new Moen 1225 cartridge should provide smooth operation for years to come. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AutoCare Secret for more easy DIY repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.